Me wa kwa baby o. Asemo edi kan coronavirus. Ne to so mienu. Eye wo man enyina mahoden. Wodi wani atofo ma abehwe se be na wotwe mienu bai. Kane ano enyina so. Se ebeka ya afi ahyese ya January bosum ni mu. Na German aban ene Ghana aban e de won sa share memorandum of understanding. Sika 250 million euros. So ye de be share oman enyina mahoden adwuma no emu. Saa sikai na ebeboa atremu ama miemie bi a enyina mahoden endru ho no womonsa atumi akambi. Saa sikai mi gidi se ema omampani ahotoso ema during his state of the nation address what it tuja say abenya penso ade e friend dum so ana kane engina so no e free hokra yakọ yanim emrahye bedwafie domkuma wo mo ho wo madwene mu ni kire se kane a engina so no enye bibia e sikasem sika yade to fuel e de a power plant no ebi eni ho enso so yakọ energy ministry enso so kire se say pe factors a edisa light off yi eba enyina mahoden enka ho kra entina je say problem no any day ankasa eden ni yenim nhwehwem kakra ayaye ene say dwumadie bi koso ebo ye various power plants no I friend pegging na say droben a eden framaja eba plant ni mu no emusi nti brano cleaning aya omoye ewo mu no eno ene koso sa pegging ni ekoso no BBC anapay ye be hu adokura esi na fei yadwuma ene say ye de sa nia minority for eka ene nia aban eka no ye de beto nsane ani na fei ye hunu bebi a poma no esibre ewo mpanifo ba betena se na me ne omo adwendwene eho na ye bisa ensem do we have to require fuel to power our plant ye hear fuel at the power plant no ana do we have the required fuel a ye be hia no oman ye wo bi ana so bibi fifo bi wo ho no ma sesa ban e ma ye hunu anapa ye bibisa saa ensem no enyina e wo na wotwe dwumadie no eso does the situation require a doomsday timetable of course minority e call for a timetable so na be ye be hu ni atoto ye niema anapa ye bibisa se bibi wo ho no saa aban no ebetimi e de ato ye nimu ana na wotwe dwumadie so mpanifo ba betena se na fei ensem yenu ne edika coronavirus ne etoso mienu oman enyina mahoden ho nsemsem ye de ho nsem ato anim bidin the chief jerry force ma mentwa me ho me ba mpanifo betena se na fei ya hye nkomotwetwe no ase na wotwe Yama kwa babio Adom TV sunia uti enka ewo radio so a haya sempa 94.7 na wotwe dwumadie ye de bro penfo atena se ye bedwindwin coronavirus ene insunsuanso a enya yedi kan oman esikasem eho and we want to find out what the bigger plan should be afei so ye dada akone abadie kwan a ye fa so ye niema ye social lifestyle ene insunsuanso a enya wo so eno so ye behwe atwetwe ho enkomo empenfo mienu abetena se Dr. Edu Owusu Sakode lecturer ewo economics department University of Ghana Legon doc atenase sanso and Dr. Sylvia Esther JC Jan Dr. Sylvia Esther Jan or into sociology department University of Ghana Legon penfo makwa akwaba and I've been sandwiched by two great doctors now mesha se free Dr. Edu Sakode wo se yehwe wiase nyina mfoni no efa no sunsuanso a coronavirus yi enya ewo wiase amaman aban ahodo wo msikasem so a twamfoni ni kyerɛ kakra pe baby a wugina ene nyema a wo hu so far doc
ensem ehu ara ho sempa na esi ewiase nyina GDP about $80 trillion corona no kwa bagimu $2.7 trillion a car ya project is ebebo one here could be more than that one here be more than $2.7 trillion
asema kan no sisubio ano ehye
corona no a car de bebre wiase nyina ya projecting about $2.7 trillion not billion or trillion last me trillion 1,000 times 1,000 a million times 1,000 a billion billion times thousand, a trillion.
That's a billion, mako thousand.
A 1 trillion.
1 trillion.
And we are talking about $2.7 trillion. I think we more than that. Because I know my sister was Italy, no, I know she. But the other boy, we are say, China recovery, no. China man, omo situation no better. And another big boy because China is the second largest economy in the world, just behind USA. In fact, we use PPP, China and Edikan. We are ahead of USA. When you use PPP, PPP means cost of living. The cost of living of China is lower than America. And we use PPP, China and Edikan.
Look now, see we are seeing GDP saying
$80 trillion.
$80 trillion.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Now, a Kana abano. There more different sectors. They didn't kind oil sector. Omo produce oil no dey say there omusu ma because you be sure afiase na oil price no Brent crude price $60 it be 59.8 you dey emphasize $60 per barrel. Sisi ameno ka say atiako about $29 per barrel. Emu achemu half cut. It's all projected so we sika 100 million and 50 million they were. But we here for the year. And it's a year no the average for the year. So year no query and that's on 29 na dia and a risk papa. Until oil producers sabre omunyina amalusu. You hear aviation. Aviation sector no query we about $820 billion omunyina so ahore.
Wow.
Yeah. You share transportation in general, ship. Now, say me here and me say ship for I could do baby na ship na gina say munyina munsi. Ye nya nto aso bio. Hey, corona nti munyina munsi. Train. Now say madam for be send video. Bus. Ono nko na team no watwa. Nti omunyina ahwere omusika. Nti ye ka bebre hotel. So utukwa na akoda hotel. Nti we ntukwa na hotel he na akoda. Until be anchored hotel ho, restaurant, a bread we can say we call beach. This is a social distancing entertainment, sports. Me pay EPL pa ala me pay Ghana Premier League. This is a mitifie kwa. Yenye bimpo ni ahwe. Entertainment, sports, education. This is obi atifie. I'm say we are seeing I'm say we are seeing na obi abatifie school ni bi atifie. The educational sector is also a loose. How unemployment has been projected to about 2.5 million people across the globe. 2.5 million people number lose within this short time, within the 1 year. 2020 as my year came. CJ, how can see a pan abeto so? A dreadie, a being called a biaba. They say Italy lockdown. Oko grocery shop where empty. Ya told you na manasa. Into no man okofe biawe. China are closing the day. Italy are closing the day. Germany are closing the day. France are closing the day. Into dread years so international trade. And so who imports and exports. Nipa akofa nyoma free no no wayare. Into nya no money ma. Nipa so awpa so we exporting na do nyoma komano. No so to nyoma ekodi krom. So niska. What kind of stimulus package? To say, idea of a bia share the essentials. Food, water, and medicine. These are the most important three things that a baby here. They are relegating. Sports, you have to entertainment, you have to they say no any food, water, and medicine. Internet fee, and some more electricity, and more TV. Do so ababukrom there no I don't know we na mo obeto dam ya na obeto worry nti we ase picture no ano hye ana me he eno kwa de camera mpo ya afi financial market crash. It's a crash in the financial market. Na the de kakra ne say China stock market no a revival because omo plus say me no ka say omo plus US there na crash pa omo na -20 -19 individual companies be were -9 Asia
so US crowd there na me tell you say 3 years of stock market gains 3 years of stock market gains.
Yeah,
has been wiped out.
We can be likened to the 2008 financial crisis. 2008 financial crisis na esi ye no. US no. Sa pepe na ye hu. Na we no the man ano ye hye ne say we nya financial market no nko a all sectors. Sports and entertainment any aviation. So those days I na financial market no. Na aviation machine too. Na ship ko, na train too kwan. Na sports wo ho, na entertainment wo ho. But say the corona nti ba bia ka. Nti wi ase de how kese pa na abeto ye so. Na se emra so say emra fie dia ne emra Ghana. Ana emra no so
emra no so me ba ma ya ko Ghana. Dr. John ma membra also. To say clearly we say niema bia na kane ye yentumi nye. In fact me bia na say utimi ko me bia utimi ko untimi nko people are practically going for panic buying. Na afi but one kasa ni awudi wani ehu within the past few days your fan say we sociologist na wa hwe niam picture net is if we need to say doc
me gidi say nia ekosisisi ano e train say nipa enye island say nipa wo hoi ya wo to wiase mu a na wa beto abusua mu na busua no di akuti nipa wo nipa brabo mu nti sese ayare we ya abai a afa obia ehu ato obi so no aka ebusua aka efa ye ba sociology mo ye be ka say ye was social structure. It has affected the entire social structure and say political institution has a role to play and I affecting no sa na religious institution no so in sorry ne baby a obia kokobom pa ni nyoma affecting no oba education system ne so say na sa kwa de kan no affect education system no sa na oba marriage and family life ye hu effects no ewo mu oba your friend say economic institution oba ka say ekonsofo na omo mu bu akunta pa na form but say oya oba tan anasa wo fie na wejuma insem yare yi ebeka wejuma ebe ha obebre esan say wo hwe say awofonom ko ejuma ebinom eyo manka say ejuma ebinom so etifie a omo ton ade ni otifie no obeka say oba betene fie ya ma hu kwan say afa obi ankwala nko school nto betene fie oba betene fie fine oba betene fie ebe affect ejuma na wo ye no o kai says Sunday ya ma announcement say nkwala nko school no first thing eba mitrimu ene awofo ma omo ye ejuma fani say obi wo formal awofo mienini na wo formal sector omo be ye den 10 p.m. an announcement by into Monday no awofo no de ne ba na ekwan fani say oye nursing mother wakọ leave abasesia owo bank
or due to Monday and
I was say Monday or ejuma or fine in these times no e ho na wo hu say social support hu hia papa because sa maami ni obedi kan ye ne say okohwehwe ne maami bi na ne maami ahwe no na ne maami a oba behwe no say so ye say sa age group no so they are more vulnerable to the situation. It affects the totality of the society. Afe so obeka say nkwala na befie bisa hu say obetene fie kra ya ma hu kwan kra say betene fie na ye ejuma sen na obetumi aye mam ye frɛ ba ko frɛ obedidi obeye say ni nyina ebeje wo mre na afe so say ye hwɛ effects in bioma say you see social gatherings ye ntwitwa so suspension and I say you are reducing number no ye hwɛ yie edu mimrinda bia ye hu say cars to kwan amanfo ekọ eyie na say you say eyie ye suspend it to a limited number of about 25 no bisa hu say omo ye ejuma was that sector ni na because there was funeral economy there are people undertakers there was spinners there were rent chairs there beton drinks caterers omo nyina omo ho aka nti tise na me sha say America no nipa enye say affected nipa ba ko nti enka obia yenya island we depend on each other until all the various institutions are interrelated and this is a time see we are going to bring out the reality on the ground to say in this society we have people who are at the lower level and have people at the upper level. That is inequality in that say sakwa de ekasa no ocha say ebinum start other areas be ye panic buying ni nyoma na nia ono no hand to mouth no oye den ekọ stock up ono benya obeye ready say ono koto bi na asa na se
say dokwe wo ma mo ye bujabujja contain mo ton ma o table so
ni sika no eye anytime obeye adwuma it's kind of obenya na num na obeti edidi enye salaried worker sa otifie kra na wankọ adwuma unim se busumi ne so a waketia ebeba na nya ono ne livelihood is dependent on daily movements obekodwom obekodwa so akwakoton ade na mfaso obenya na nubi na obeyi dia abeye aduane enumre no in such times no ono obeye den ya taking a stock afen so em say na ase ye fie particular group of people say omo wo kwan no so no ye ka street children ene omo tete kwan no ho ma ye we fi say ye tete ha obi akita ne sanitizer no onu oni sanitizer ni bio onu so ansio ni sem na ebi nsi ne ho na akwa park o car traffic red light so a wa beso windscreen abeso o car ni mu yes ye ni number of hours so obeso metal mu a virus no betumi stay on inti say ye asam na esi no anania akwaso no efa obi bia ho was obi bia tumi ye na family se na be ya ye betumi aso anontem. The other thing they say wo hwe so a me gidi say ya ka say religious gatherings so and also yen suspending for some time. Niakosi nan for me nyame hu ne say it has both positive and negative sides because test say bebre abet na fie edumayefo bebre me say am try dey say abet na fie o masa bet na fie. It's time for us to reflect and think about yen health and do things anka because of ejuma na yen to me nye say no benyamre atumi a check on obi obenyamre atumi ahwe wa woma it's going to change a whole lot of things because say na bedu baby ye na ye gidi say ye socialization say ye church ye nkwala na wo so mo ye eni nyoma no ye pushi bebre akọ atichafo so na say na aban say afa o ma no onbet na fie nti say no teacher ni ho nti say wo na wo ba be ye oba no teacher pesa oba ne be pra wo na oba be ye oba ne teacher at the same time omuko school na ye mom lunch say wo be ye oba ne cook because one kasa mpo no usro say wo koto aduane wo baby nti madam for be say aduane nua ne kra na atomi adwendwen because unua anopa wan ya ewia wan ya enumre esno nya omo be san edi in between. Inti say ye hwe ne ekoso ne yare na ba na utumo say affect every facet of our lives such that say antumi anso anu ntem ana ye na ye ho amba ye ho so na ye hu say ye nyina ye wo responsibility enye say because ebia wo no wo class bi wo middle class ana wo lower class no nti amfa wo ho so amfa wo ho a nia onu ejina nchen no onu ebetumi edi ohaw abrew nti this is the time I was say ye hwe obi bia na ye make sure say everybody is moved along ye nje obia nobody should be left behind from the least person in quote to the highest person everybody must be involved and yes say ye kasa unkwa wo dwen wo na wo kwa wo protect wo unkwa na wo sanitizer unkwa na wo semina ni nsuo na wo ja obi wechi na sa nipa no no de ofa yare na remember say wo na beba also because ono na oba betwi wo car ma o twi wo car no ne na ehun be conditions so one ne na ehun me mfra makro na nti wo say ye hwehwe sa anyoma yie afi ade ba ko so ampe say me ye Kristo ni nti meka Kristo for dem o
ye beba Kristo for dem no so Dr. Jan na doc answer ne ye beba Ghana nkomo no so no na wotwi ya tie sikrom akohwe ne ekoso adwadie mu wo de ahopepre ekodi dwa ene ne ekoso okrom ankasangasa minu ya nana ya atisi dwom ye hwe na afi ye ba Ghana nkomo no so
asana corona yare kodi ewuo ne nti nipa ahodoɔ wo amanaman nyina so aye wona dwense obeko wo mfi ahodoɔ mu akɔkɔbɔ wo ho adwa ene ye ba bepie mu wo Jafanko bebi a woton nam ahodoɔ enso ne adwadefo a wodi gwa ha edi nkomo ma wo kire mu se
because of coronavirus na aba Ghana no se debi a metumi atena fie na me chinchin enante enko hwehwe bi nto because me feel say as time goes on the way increase no shortages ebeba system ni mu nti o se me ye shopping e go on na metena fie na me nante se bia umi obia na obi me fan sign me yonko fi ha no mama ko fele me cylinder for extra we say the me use na san me in case of emergency na me use na say o se obi a hye fie na empia na ma use no
na me medical surprise because ya really na ba nti say ma for person ba abio nti omo fe no mo order na ma na de ko bibi omo location mo nti omo free a baby o bia ye free na ado na na komano
nti we ya ode ko nipa duro sen die
nipa ba ko die ni
Mr. Jekum Jefanko kofa bae ye bese ye bisa wo yadie atiatese ama Ghana he ye forso a se ye betumi esi anu kwan wonso na ha ye wo de kwan ben so na wo fa so abo omomba beto nam ewo ha ho ban
ye o mi na me da se mi fi se kwan a ye fa so a ye bo ho ba de ye hyehyɛ da ba bia de di kan o se o sansuo si ho sanitizer so ho obi aba ha o de samna hohoro nensa ansa na wawura ma beto but ade ba ko ehun ni se we ye dan enipa no se unso obi e to no ma obi e to no ma nipa wura ha pa to ade pa eti kwan bi so no eye de kwan bi so eye hu eti eguso e bo ho ban se obi a obewura ha bia no ye behwe se wa hohoro wonsa de samana ansa na wawuram de wo beto no ye de akogya ofefefe na wokọ
Mr. Jekum wo hwe me bedu am ho se fridge na esi wo no je se nam bi enim ya to no nyina ma na sa okọ ama no ne ya ye ho se panic buying nkrofo start say to aduane a ho de ye ba ha ye I say de ye hu du ha ye
wonim efrijuala no nkofo atode a ma ye nwonwa de wo hu ya ye empty no e bushmeat within a short time no bushmeat e wo bia ya to amanasa enti no afi na ye de beba enti se de ye to ade no che se enwanwa kora nipa nim bi ayere ye ho se omo boa wo mo se bibi ansi afan se bibi sinso a na wa ye sentate ya no eja de obo anu kogu ni fie no na wa hya ase no yusu na de eye se obi abeboa no nyame ye adom na bibi ansi a na ye nyina eja wa na auto ye no wadi wa de se bibi sinso a na wa boa wo because se de ye ko no ye ni age se ye to ade ba kwan bi so ye so no eye ye hu pa se enipa domo a ewura ha to ade obi ba wo hwe no ma nipa no to adan a wo se hwe e kina me ba na matomo a na me ne me ma be den enti no nkofo to ade
nipa domo e ba ha se no regulation nti sen mo obi a ewure ma na mo ma bi gina bonti ebi to wie no
ye de hyehyɛ ya to enipa no ni kwa se mo bro 15 enti wo ba na wo besi before so besi afri wo kai mo kura ne
okay enti nia ekoso dwom no doc ya dru ho panic buying ti ya de ahopepre ekoso anema be hyefie na ya de nin kakrakra ya dru ho
yenya nru ho I feel say ye de hu ahye mu nse da bia me ka say yen strike the balance between ahweyie and say ye de ehu ni ahopopo eya ade say ahweyie na me no mi no ye bo ho dawro yen hwe ye ne yenya bi yen hohoro yen sa yen fa sanitizer social distancing. But I'm saying Ghana for no be na huru adikan. Aye panic buying. Panic buying there yesusu say se nipa ko no boa no ho dia. Se ahoboa ana ye wo se boa ye ho. Ye mfa ehun koya de na mom ye moa ye ho. Ahoboa de hu hia because Italy man within 1 month no mo case na I jump free 3 to about 35,000. In 1 month.
In fact, in 24 hours, 627
yes.
death.
Yes.
Nipa ewu.
Yes.
Ewu Italy, 627.
And Ghana was a boy. So you have 3 community infections, which is dangerous. First one you imported. Until now Ghana ni bi anya. They say 3 no Ghana for Ghana ni no manya bi. So more about 500 contact persons. 500 Ghanaians who have been contacted by omomanya positive.
So 500 no omubia so wo be 22 contacts.
2 ale say 1,000 no. Enti yen so ano yen sorry waka. Na yen mo aboa ye ho. Me ye sure say edwade ne say da man no kan bibi me the power say oboa ho a na asem ne beto a waboa ho. O ko Bible ma say 10 virgins no 5 were foolish 5 were wise. Nti yemwa ye ho nsie ma yemfa ahopopo onye ba mom yemwa ye ho nsie yenye ne bokọ ye ko dwom a ebi a supermarket nipa 20 na wose ekọ a 20 first 20 makoto nyoma mo de akogu fie first 20 mako ahoboa na na egu so no me ye sure say aban so oboa ne ho na nsia president be announce $100 million package o share media station mo so mo oboa mo ho ye do ebi mo san kwan ani bra ba no companies bi omo nkwan bo ye de enti ahoboa no ye mo ye hunsie say yesi kasem na ebi nso so ye panic withdrawal from the banks na nsia na financial crisis banking crisis no ye ko mu
and I'm saying
because banking and insurance subsector they were growing negative from the first quarter of 2017 up to the last quarter of 2018 they were going negative 2019 a man homeless kakra and I say corona is so asabebom ndi amanfo panic akọ the banks to withdraw Mr. Ghana for say ma obia home popo say corona ne bana say ka say include ye down obia ntena fia 1 week 1 month eso a okọ bank a obenya osika ma yen fan say adwum say shutdown no ba okọ tena fia eno a no say osika ahwere obia ne ho ne sika bahwere na shutdown no kra no me ye mo mpa say ma ye nru ho ne mo ma ho boa na na ye guso ye nhwe kwan bebre a ye befa so ye borders no obi kan se be me de pa wo se plane bi ama na se Benin ni Togo ma bi o mo borders no o ma bie na uyom hyen kosi ho no se ne pa kono kosi ho no onam o border no ofa from baha na no metie immigration officer baako o se north ho no o mo gina ho a se Ghana ni baako mate ni driver o mo free Burkina o mo wura Ghana border no so mo to aduane o mo se kono ko for suspects nkofo yi omo pressure or high omo ko test omo temperature and number 35 36 and omo quarantine omo ebia ni o wo free say wi omo hyen kwa obi ni na Burkina Faso en fa north paganom ne bo gatanga na wuram obi nso nam aflawo ewuram nti ahweye yem ye ni nti sa aboa wo yem ye ni na ho ye ko Bible proverbs ye nsia ntatia ye mwa ye hunsie kamia ye say a champion time na operation feed yourself na ya ba say obi atifie enti o sorry a kodua abro kodua banche kodua o cabbage kodua o tomatoes wo mfichire na say the worst scenario eba say obi ampia o aduane o backyard
but docs economics mu no niam abo kosoro normal sisi a obi a sanitizer yi ni nduane a yedie ni ade obi a tutu
normal economics well about economics you see a movement along the curve the shift of the curve where a shift of the curve
that's right
so panic emergency situation here now say my demand of any product go higher price will increase automatically until normal economics is expecting it
okay
now mesre ebi mu charge prices no too much ebi mu ha sanitizer ye turn be 3 cities on number 20 I know she almost say price no be cost so there but ye onima bi o ha calculate sa prices no number 1 say nipa dodo no a ekoto nyoma dodo no quantity nipa dodo nyoma dodo na ye to no say bro the market no hwehwe na price no be cost so and number 1 number 2 expectation ya kogu banks no bi no sa expectation na dey real business life enei nipa no free say me was sanitizer 3 e me dem ba say si ha me hwa na say ye koka abanka say obi antena fie na ye ma 3 na nso me ne me ma enti me nkoto 5 nka ho enti sa expectation no say 3 no already nipa no hia wa ba koto 3 enti quantity na ma price na koso o sa the expectation e koto 5 ka ho nya 8 nti price no be double and be triple cry nti expectation dey mesre say yenya positive expectation na ma yen rashe enuma ewodwom ma yen rashe enuma ewo supermarket na mo be nto no kakra obi ebi so ekobo bosia me ebesre bosia bo na yen duro ho kakra ma yen fa yen mhihie enkoya neoma na nse so me dey say enkraye empty adaya bi buko bukuro enti minim se Ghana for libya kwetire krase omusro enti prices no you manage the situation now everything is about management
doc yan share stimulus packages aban ahodo ede aba yenhwe se mehwe United Kingdom say ye ka say rescue package aban no ede atudwa 400 billion US dollars. Which is a proportion to GDP no 15%.
Yeah.
Spain 220 billion US dollars, which is up to about 20%. Germany 550 billion. But almost to so mame, and almost so they are to 550 billion, which is about 15%. Italy 28 billion US dollars, about 2%. France 330 billion. What to Nigeria crowd them Matisse said 2.7 billion US dollars. Na Nigeria for the share omo sikasemo. America, as you say, I can say 1 trillion US dollars.
Yes.
Look, what should be the picture here? Ghana hamfonino. Then I say the toto ho. Ama aban dream bibi ho a no nim bibi a wodwene ho. Look.
Ahobona na yeguso no. Me feel say package ya wo kan ye as a percentage of GDP no. Is between 2% and 20%. Ghana GDP last year was $66 billion. And to 10% is 6 billion.
6 billion, yeah. 6
times 5 in exchange rate, we are talking about some, 30 billion cedis. And you share on the average, Ghana here in billions of cedis. They say Sikaya they started at 500 million cedis, which is $100 million now year Ghana. Enti ahomboano air colonize
but 600 million cry
and stimulus package meba ye air anim no say me ka ba air anim no na wo head ya also the tudwa air anim na head the tudwa and last week finance minister called Parliament House so person call withdraw from the stabilization fund no you create for such purposes so oil revenue no an konanim year. And as we see Kasem and Co. Anima, we be our coffee biaba. Now the ama stimulus package, Stimulus package with the woman mention we no, the fiscal side. Sikano sometimes a baby or mucha ska or more printed. A boom or hand so much free international reserves. Once a Ghana international reserves on the code to say be amounts of import in your Ghana and Quebec, a man be an as yet and say. So I told you them two or maybe. Sika was here, no, they said they personal savings. Sika was here, no, bet my show how many years and how many months. Ghana, they never here 4 months. Hey, Ghana, Sika, yes, what you call the international reserves, no. So we so Mamuna say, Yentimi Yashia. Sika, yes, you never here 4 months. Until you hear a hombuano cases no conanim no, na ye share. Cases no conanim, na ye share. They say, you stimulus package. Baby, I was to see and say, 100 million a year they share pharmacy, any pharmaceutical, any medicine, no, Ghana Health Service, Omajuma no, a honey ya drew. Yem find shame or 100, yem find shame or yem providing medicine, hand sanitizer, and never be brave. After a Monday, you see for me, the market. Mestre say, I buy I didn't want shame. Mestre say, companies be brave, soon for moon shame. Companies from Whisker or Maymuno or more DSC catcher. So this is the time we need their help. So as a corporate social responsibility, no, you hear be see a mom Whisker, no, companies from Whisker or Ghana, yesterday, move from Hunyim, no more finance this market fumigation, no other a year cost. Stimulus package in a year, by a drew what dear. Said they are buying be more yano, you be soon you Eddie kind. I hear the fiscal side. And a medical can say a printing of money, or you borrow, or you use your international reserves. Printing, usually we don't want to encourage because we encourage you back home. Say corona ni chama because we are printing and it will cause inflation. The US for no or my year say number one. Sa on say GDP no your 3 major components of GDP, agents of GDP. The consumption expenditure for the consumer the investment expenditure from the businesses and the government expenditure. Yeah. And so now the external sector, import and export are back. And to number one, consumption expenditure, and the only say, can catch personal income tax. So I catch 100 cedis. Now so which tax 5 cedis here. I got 95 maybe. So you tax no call 2 cedis here. I can say 98. Until when you reduce the personal income tax now, it increases the disposable income. So the nipa no betima shop, akoto aduane. And here number one. The other side of stimulus package, the fiscal stimulus package, the businesses. And it's a companies are no. Number one, aviation. Any aviation, Emirates, no Delta, no the here, papa, yes, sir, they'll go bankrupt. Yeah. And so Ghana, you do why you share transportation sector. Ghana transportation say 12 for bebrena to fear, taxi bebrena to fear. And so also na was here companies are eguno, hotel, tourism, restaurants, you besha honum. The other one government, say government no spend it. Government will spend on the essential commodities. Number one, education, health, and be a housing. I was said government because minimum say countries be why say housing or mafa. They have taken over the house. Because also be interested your uncle na here. Oh, and education, health, housing, and be a electricity because say obi if you be house on the light, obi a TV. And I was Ghana so government of Ghana this share ECG. Say drew why you know but you drew also call ECG ska. No much me produce. So say yes was second part of the program. No can. The other one, import and exports, because so import is negative on GDP. So what import so GDP no cost. So we increase exports our GDP no cost. Until countries will take advantage of this situation. No, actually near country and you ma own here. So no produce when you have the advantage, absolute advantage, and comparative advantage. So what me produce be as sanitizers, be a Burkina for who to produce sanitizers. But Ghana bit my sanitizers at a lower cost. Near taking advantage, near producing sanitizers in millions of where no containers near sporty call Burkina need to go no mun to produce. This is the strategy. Yamra monetary side. Doc, answer na ko monetary side no. Yeah. Mamen ko Dr. Jan ho. Na doc o social support. Eso. But me ma say mbisa ne nie. Sisi a baby tibia e wumi. Additionally bi wo hon ma positive, additionally bi wo hon ma lessons bi wo hon ma ebetimi esua. Se ne be ya coronavirus ye chi no na abaye suban. Enye se bia yare ba ye nko na ye sa ne ma no na yare no koye na fe yasan so akoye dada mu biu ebiem so which governance system and the best most suitable around this time doc me you na fe
me did say ya baby ayedri social support na make no you say social support na there a part of Ghanaian your lifestyle say o worry cry yes wa worry ebusia nti ya wokra wo bekwa kwotena ma me nchen ana ma me betena nchen aboa wa hwe wo ma ana se omo ko ejuma e bia otijoma ana se okọ officer ne ma me etumi tu ne hu besi ho ana na ebusuani bi tumi tu ne hu si ho se ende wonni hoi me behwa wo ba sa nyomani na e wo ho na ade ba ko bi say around this time no yare na aba no there were both positive and then negative effects. Now positive thing ne say sesia no ama yehu say yehia yehu because sesia awofo bi ekọ ejuma e wo say wo neighbor na one ne nya fine no e no not fie na wonni obi a obetumi aso mu nti wo neighbor no e wo say utumi ne ko kasa na utumi ja wechi say e ya ma weni nko me fie me ma ne wo fie na wonhwe me nkwala no e no wo ho afi aside eno no nsuso no say wo be dream nani na wo employ no because nani no obefu trotro na ofu trotro na waba ofie abehwe wo ma no e wo say wo dream ni health ni safety say na be ya say transfer of disease bia wo ho a onfa emma wo baso then aside that no ama say obia ni kofie say wo tifie a hwan na obefre o ma me obefre wadanfo na wo fe na ache no nti ama your social life no I say we are now coming back. The network is becoming stronger because now you are getting in touch with people that are anka before no now to me and need time because ube fe adwuma ba no na wabre nti wonya sa amre no emfa mfre sa nkrofo no nti me gidi say yetumi eto aso say by the time ye be fa sa face of life yimu ewie no na afa de ye hu say nipa hu ewo mfaso se na be ya ye de respect be ma obibia na obibia adwuma oye that's one positive thing about. Say so no me sure say after amanfo bebre nyamre ene omuma etumi bon komo because say obani tifie nti anka first ejuma yede ni na akwhye atichafo nsem no say ono obani e wo fie nti say no wo na wo be kire obana de wo na wo benyamre ama wo ebusuafo say ade ba ko so say mpesa me kaka ho ne say me sure say amanfo bebre aware so esan say no mo ofie obia etifie nti sese no uni excuse o kwanye ba
ba no so yanhwe ni ya yare be kɔ no na ayenyim bebre
yeah and also wo honomo nti na me try ni say you were good both good and then the bad side wo dey ni say asem no ba crack atwema adwen akoso say this is the time I was say especially mo media ni mo no mo take advantage now mo start preaching more on sex education because I'm your man bebre school for na ya say obi amefie na omu na wo fie na wo no mo kɔ adwuma na there is minimal supervision you can imagine ya ebesi nti se na ya try say ya bo ho debro say ye bo ye man reproductive health home by no this is the time nti me say media for no mo be call back to old advertisement in yama na preaching about say na ye be bo ye ho by free Nnamu yare ni penwanyinse ni sanyamane this is the time I was say you focus on because make I say time I can say nkwala ni betine fie no awofo ba ko bi ni help ba ko an say ndie ye ma ne benyinyem ye ma no omonyem sese ni ye de abehye wonsa say wo awofo no boa na awofo no nkwa entumi mboa na ye nim say media for mo ya de enti mo soso mo beso mo se na ebe ya yeah, corona no na mo nkai say reproductive health so ewo ho se na ebe ya ye be free ha na nya afi na population boom na no so abeye bibi fufura ewo ho no afi so me ka say ye say no ye eba ye social gathering na ye ntumi enhia no say I think a fine opportunity for religious organization because ana Christopher because for a long time 50 time ayawo ye no kwesi ada bia ye kwa asori na say nyame ankasa na church yen kwan say ye say obia ntena fie ye nkohia e wa asori dem na ye nkohia wa asori dem no that time na obe kire say uye Kristo ni mapa because say no asori won say ye kwa asori ye tro preaching ye be tro note nyina say no kwa asori ni say no bra note na wa tro all for the past 20 years and this is the time oba besua sa no
wa wetimi preach hu
wo fie na nya nkwa because o ye penin wo fie a so this is the time oba boaboa o ma no ne we busua o household o mo ne o mtifie no oba boaboa mo ano se na ebe ya mo ba pense nyankopon asem no because ye be before there want to mean enyin free ho na me show we mu na bibia so we attribute it to God and this is the time we are supposed to even draw closer to our maker until the fact say yen sorry no fine technology boy in several ways say amount for baby sorry well radio ni TV so but again me encourage say yen come back to yen Bible notes na ya tro no na yen to me pense na me asem ni
but I say o tie o share wa Adom TV so na o tie kan radio so high asempa 94.7 Nnawotwe dwumadi na ye de bro me din e the chief Jerry Force no betimi aframe CJ me ne Dr. Fomie no na twetwe enkomo enche bia na ye de enkomo twetwe no esi doc asem wo ye hu hia me pa 100 million omampani e ka ho asem ene bia sisi ye de ani a kire ye kwa kwaji sa sika no free World Bank ana so IMF ana mon papa na yetuo no wo hwe ne memu a kasa sika ne betimi anya free ha ana so ye hwe ebo aban hye Ghana Beyond Aid ye nkonkobo besia bia sisi yi eduru ho se ba kobo sa besia no donc
ye nyanru ho me free say sa 100 million no am say president ankasa ye kwaje free IMF ho the match say ye wo contingency fund e wo ho aban say do situations like this we kwa odin say kwa bo say scanim na say a stimulus package time no dura hono ni asem no
okay
says this case no higher to the extent say aban a stimulus package aban this ka wura o man mu a ani esi ye ko first ka no way Say we say ya dey ko but ntina maka say the source of stimulus package efa bi ebetimi printing efa bi ebetimi bosia bo efa bi ebetimi aye international reserves dey nko nim bi
okay we feel you say your fiscal responsibility act
say there may sure say minister nisa fiscal responsibility council no o ma start e si nkonya because work of us amaba it might hurt us I don't hear high because already oil no kwa you lose $500 million say oil price no juna 29 sa to the end of the year you project 8.9 billion cedis say juna 29 and man home so you be lose 2.5 billion cedis which is almost the same as sika they share free SHS juna for the year and the fiscal side na dia ye mo mpa say corona and say bebre say corona no send your ma dia and yes act no they must revise it. They must mean your lawyer, but whatever they have to do to relook at that act, that 5%, they should look at it because and yet all you know kwani ya hobeka. Say nyame ampata na say edwadi enso kofoma. You feel be indirect tax, VAT, and then your ma yiji na ye ntimi nye. Personal income tax, I was here teso because it's part of the stimulus package. What teso so with direct tax ebe kofom. And at the same time, government will have to spend. And you won't say stimulus package, and say you do sabrana dia. I was say fiscal responsibility at the other 20 cry.
I see.
Yeah, I was say the 20 because you do mra ahun here bad dia. It's not about that. Yeah, any case you share mra manipa, ya monipa mamra. And see a do ye no ho. Kokobo na mebo aban say ye no ho. Say do dia dinner. Yemfasa act no 20 cry. Because we revenue generation no so better say he already make say Ghana's Kenya ye pay no this year ye pay 67 billion cedis sika ye pay nyina na ye ka say 2.5 ko wa bra obi anwie sika wa bra obi anfa nko ba bia oil price nko a adwade nso mai transportation mai say wiem hyen aye mo magina kotoka nyina ye riska any ye borders sika yeje borders custom service sika yeje ho nyina nso ye riska enti edu ho dia yemfasa act no nto nchen kra but ye mom pae sama ye nu ho na ye nko yanim na meka ameka sa asem we digitization say your companies ya this time omoji omanipa omo sika sembe kosoro ebini sanitizer producing companies ana mo media for you say obi atifie obi ehwe TV Adom FM yetie Asempa FM yetie enti mo content ne say content be na mo ye e dia manipa o mutifie ahwe enti so mo manager etie this is the time am mo revise mo content na mo ma nyoma efe emre TV so because you na atifie any educative because em kwali nyina atifie enti mo target students no Joy FM, Joy TV. Joy Learning. Yeah. Mo beti ma ebi wa Adom TV. Mo be frame me ba ma be kire economics o twi mu. Say mobile money for companies so be kosoro. Obi abeto credit afre because me ntimi mesra nti me frɛ. Nti credit to so be kosoro. Ana Amazon sa delivery for no. Say wo so adwuma sorry pa ya delivery na odu kwa no. Nti ebimo adwuma sabre na sorry na ye ko yanim de dodo na na be say o man ka monetary no monitor ma kan 1 minute monetary stimulus package and say ye pese money supply sika anka say eba system nim enti e kwan be so number 1 ana Bank of Ghana aye no o mate policy rate no so hwi from 16% to 14.5% on percent interest rate eco form by an normally no interest in policy rate or more relationship
right. Doc, Dr. Jan, mention the final comment in 1 minute na fi. Ya sorry nkomo twetwe no so.
Say we emre aye wo mu no emre for innovativeness. Nti obi bia was say obi bia innovative ways of doing things. Say na be one to protect you ankasa wo ho efri yare no ho and two to also protect your family. As well as send be a na ye be kwa ye na no ye be fa ade we mu awie no na obi bia eda so ete ase and I wo apomudin nti me encourage say this time no as a family, I'm looking at it from the social part, say I feel the family is becoming one big point I was so bibia focusing on to say na was say na ye nikọ ye so especially the elderly ube to me afre one ebisa omo ase because at this time no omo ne nkwala no they seem to be more vulnerable in that nkwala no they are anxious, they have fears until you have to allay their fears. In our offense, so you're penning for no, you're cocker for no. This is the time I was say your friend, you're checking on them. No, to me support you. No money, I call your friend is a sanitizer in your man. Who taught some nano, now at tobacco, our brewer beer, or two and chance and a bear, or also ever to me, I've grown in Sassen, a year chess or beer and grown in Sano. Near Coswarana, yeah, try say. You better educate you, bibia. Na we are sure almost say there is life after Corona. Now after Corona, no, now will come back, will come out strong from it. So we should take advantage of it. To say this is the time. Nyama to me no man na. Say no man no more fear free. So and check. Ebinomo ejuma happiness to say omombet nefie. Making sure say you make time, have time with your children. Teach them the values, the Ghanaian values, and even more. By the time I na be free mono, na we are strong.
Doc, me da say Oti enka Adom TV so and Asempa 94.7. Oko Facebook so Adom TV on Facebook. Na seni aye wo hunu wa heya no odo comment ato e beje brena fe akenkan e de amount sanso na Asempa 94.7 e wo Facebook odo comment ne to honoma ye bekenkan e de amount ma me hwe se metimi abom homo benda makenkan messages ni bia na comment ni bia aba Akrokari Junior Tiero or say offering live or say hi to Mr. Philip Ofori Asante aka Poffa Pomena MP to be 2020 and no e de eno aba nkomo na ye di ni de say obi amanfo nte ye kra o odoi dani say hey Ghana and no so then the Abba Frank Adechu and now no so the comment abe or say Ghana don't have any bigger plan on also the other mind wo Facebook no walanyo akwetia or say I wish you coronavirus free. It is already found its way to Ghana, but in the end no lives has been lost. Okay. Enti fa comment bra beje me na fei ya kenkan ama ye ko yanim na fei ye de nkomotwehwe etoso mienu e de abrel ne ye fa anyina mahoden ho ehe fa na sisi ya ba begina na den pa na ye ya fa ho mpanifo mienu ba be kamensa ora Kofi Adams or a former national organizer of the NDC onukroyan so ye parliamentary candidate for the NDC e wo buem constituency sanso so na honorable Matthew Nyendam and so ebaba beka yensa bitwa me ho aba me ba yebetwa so na wotwi Emo kwa ba bi o safe na do afide ni to Adom TV so ne oti enka on radio so a high Asempa 94.7 na wotwe dwumadie na eguso ayede bro nkomo twetwe edi ho na yede efa omanya nyina mahoden ho mpanifo atenase a omo ebeka me ho na fe yahwe baby asese oman yegina ye power sector Honorable Kofi Adams ye former national organizer of the NDC onokran so ye parliamentary candidate Buem constituency or Hassan so and Honorable Matthew Nyendam or ye majority chief whip and also so ewaha and deputy majority chief whip sorry and Ura Kwame Jantwa a CEO African Energy Consortium and also so at Penfo Mamakwaba
member of the CPP
and a member of the CPP but that's pa Penfo Mamakwaba well abai mu nipa wa hai measure free so na mebisa Honorable Nyendam na say kan e dundundundum e de na ekoso
yo menchia atiefo machia kwandaifo na machia obibia so asabio
bacho ma ne so kakra ma
obibia so asabio ohwe ye COVID-19 ntino amasi ya ukasa na wa reduce we no wa hwe ana this is ya bibia da cool I think with regards to the energy sector the SCC na say you know yenyina ebusabusa but thank God the situation is coming normal na ebusamu no honestly obi beka say technical
technical in the sense that na omo pipeline na free Nigeria streets call Takrade. Na esomo ye maintenance wo be 8 weeks maintenance of that particular pipe gas line. Until almost shouted a particular system down to do that kind of maintenance. Now, and also now, Sabio, MI gas. Until almost shouted a particular system down. Not just say, as ugly, I am almost 500 and something, no, any idea. Not just say, any plant I use on my imu, I air gas, no, any idea. But what is the alternative? The alternative was to make sure say car power will produce about 450 or 460 ebemai. So that was the plan. It worked until say I'm told for the first time no. That particular system no, there was what they called a strip off, which shut the whole system down completely. It is no bar no. Let's just say you can't do anything. And then the mass have blackout, you know, a bad particular instance. But they started working on it.
Okay, move so not any indigenous gas I bet me up power.
You see, indigenous gas, you know, Takrade. And it must come through the system to your friend is a tema. Oshe or more designs now. Sa free Nigeria sa atwa mukono ena oma ti branch no de ama tema plants na wo ho nyina nti say we no omo ye they call it pigging or something that maintenance pigging, work na just say that stretch ni nyina no entimi nyagba and gas can also flow from Takrade to that place because the system is under maintenance. So the only thing that we could depend on
was pigging now kan no say me chire mu a chire Ghana fo a adwuma a wo ye wo droban nim se droban aya na emu ye fi nti brano aya wo mo cleanim nti pigging no kwan a wo fa so clean droban pipeline no emu nti sa wo pigging
nti that was the source, the main source na Sabio almost started a crowd without even people knowing that they were working on it because
adwuma ne cost ni nyina
because car power was giving us 450. So we didn't have any problem. Secondly, this Senate was also giving us about 180. Although say per se produce to full capacity, it would have given us about 300 and something. But also not to me because I don't know you so light crude oil. But I don't know necessarily about 360. But capacity wise, I know about 180. With that one, on that, we didn't have a problem until that strip off all of a sudden happened. Until you see any day. Actually, it took everybody back because it's a technical problem. It's a fault. You can't do anything. But thank God, we saw a particular pig, no, and then they started doing what we call performing text. Not just a Sabio or pipe say, "Naso young wajuma, be insurance. I want to be no once." And also almost who says some valves we had a problem. So they needed to work on it gradually. I think that. It was purely technical, but Omoya in charge, you know. The assurance is that they've worked on it and power gradually is being restored. We'll compare the system currently that we experienced and about a week ago, no, it's not the same. So I think that basically, no, this was actually what happened.
Okay.
That's the information we got.
Kofi Adams, my member Sana muhu because initially minority were raising the issues of money. Sesika na eni ho. To fuel our plants. Munjina so ne saying, Kofi Adams.
Yo bi ni amedas yo di kai ma minchia on otie so amohwe any ma me persuasion for Boim constituency for because me sure say ono so better take advantage ahwe ni ekoso.
But ma so kakraman.
Yo medas. Very clear. Utie honorable Nyindam. The kasa ni nyina o koba ni nyina yes kasem. Look, omo hwe juma nso Greek kofo ababeka. Say, yes, kasem. For a very long time, omo indicate kura na anu ya eba ya ye ka na technical na ye Ɔsi ECG the one cow over 800 million Ghana cedi. Eye power. Yedi ama ECG a omu yede entumi ntua ye. Enti because ECG entua sika no ma Greeko nti Greeko for so entumi ntua ma companies a omu yede omu de power no yedi ama Greeko. VRA all the nya obobo ni nyina Senate ni nya ekeka ho ni nyina wo say yede yetua sika ma ho. So obekaya President Mahama ade bi o introduce energy sector levy bi anka ebeboa ama saa ekawa na ewo ho no yebeyi efiri ho na saa esla no kwa no na ewo period bi anka wo say ye den etwem unfortunately aban yi bae sika no ebewure mu anka wo say ye de ye nhihia ewo ho no na omo de ye bibi foforo anka hokra na management of tariff system no so anka ebeboa amasa account no efi ho so that yen ko ahochire hu biom no so because of political expediency instead of doing the right thing and the correct thing no omo kodi omo a certain promise bia omo de ma ye without basis without foundation echinti management of tariffs no so problem ekoba ho enti account no esoro an e den eko nka se wo hwe sika ya gye no under extra no Greeko nka wo say Greeko after le na mo complain say be 800 million krani ECG for nye den nkwa entumi nye den ntuaye yenko nedco mo manage the northern side no so enti ne omo keka ne nyina about technical about this reverse flow nyina just kasa ka because the experts no omo ho engineers omo ye juma ho no omo yes there are some technical issues no obiati as said there are technical issues but kesena sika den any o so skanu ho a all majority of the plants are oboboye no use gas and then light crude use the combined cycle say gas wo ho ombe use gas say gas in ho ombe use light crude say sika no wo ho a ne hu import of such material enye dini ma ho but sika ni honti they have to rely on the very cheaper source and it is a cheap ni e bi ni ho a na on shut it down because omuye juma of course for profit and also to be able to survive na say omuye juma na omo akoto light crude and gas on ye supply ya new energy no ya di ama ECG a supplier ma aban institutions ni other persons aban so e kawo mefa na so aban fa sika na ma ECG enti ECG ntumi ntua Greeko enti Greeko ntumi ntua omo ye energy no so na ye wo dumsonum for a very long time people have given indications say there was shortfall of almost 200 megawatts enye just because of what maintenance ekoso enti internally no there have been discussions say omo fa kwan bi so na omo endundum kane no omo dum wa ha kakra for a certain period na omo edum ha enti maintenance ben the first thing omo catch and say omo ye maintenance because mida sika every millennium challenge account bia yenya ya mida for nya no they were putting it into improving the distribution system which is good but so we hear the type of edunduma ekoso enye because you are improving your systems like
okay. but Adams okay I don't know but it could not be entirely factual because me so search kakra me here no say what you're pigging here you are likely to lose some megawatts on our plants
and I'm saying that you are likely to lose ye new menu ma make say your excess power and I want this akasa ya omoka almost your excess abro so enokra enye nokra because omo field ho no aka say for every country to be very independent and have reliable power supply so we here will peak demand or say we sign up 25% of total peak demand no ewo ho as reserve. Now we hear dependable power ewo ho. And which I say, Ofa Kosomwa, we are supposed to be getting the capacity is more than 1,000. Now so currently ni ayenya wo ho no very very small. And the working in abo mo calculate Akosomwa capacity 1,000 plus. We call bon, we calculate and also I think 100 and something. We call we yes capacity ni maybe 600. Now so ni nyina ni ayema ye no so small. And the near dependable available. Now we now calculate 25% we say we don't even have excess. And this akasana no more canning na earlier say oh we have excess power that we are paying for and not using in no ekoye bibi say they have been exposed completely. Obianka say ye pigina and lead to reduction in what production for of course it would happen. Okay. But nya koso no Greek for nankasa opinion or interview during just this short period I question indicated say look sikasem ka ho e ho na o ma figure say over 800 million is debt ECG like all Greco that they have to pay. And this all but now say oh yeah as if say oh just because of maintenance because of more piggy or more say and yet they are not being truthful to the good people of this country. Is for them to give indications, say, okay, adie yebedum kanieno from this time to this, so that we can all plan. Look, critically but at this time. I'm Drew timetable. Look, Drew rather. Edunduma koso no enye as a result of maybe 3 PBAC. Now we name na AC. Once you are aware, especially so your reasoning, say because of pigging into but it means they know. So if you know, no. If you know that any because of tripping being a buy, and you know, you must give us indications that because of this maintenance, we are going to lose this amount of power. And the more and more area, you will be in darkness for this period. More and more, you would also be during this period. Then people can plan. Okay, your checks, say car power at pay. You better how you do, but your checks, say at pay. And that's just by the by. Urajantwa, what's your fan nina? Wo ye energy expert. A dear partner koso kania engineers wadaroma.
Mechia etifo nyina. Mechia miami nua kofi me. Miami penyi. Mechia onso so. Mejo so. Minim se ne obeka we wotwi mu. Ye ka brofo bi mean say vicious cycle. And obeka ne twi mu say. Asemo. I said vicious cycle and kobesi ekwa na sabesi ekwa na sabesi. So here your energy sector efesikasem it's been a problem free in chroma time and yene both NDC MPP umbaye kawo ho the amount of money you here be invested in the energy sector no enye sika ketwa. Na me mom dey say me hwa party manifestos and moi adentia party manifestos moi because MPP ba omdo de aba MPP NDC so ba omdo de aba continuity no ahwehwe no wonsanka ye benya pa anka say yenya 20-year plan for energy 20-year plan for energy because energy and so yimu I say COVID-19 abeya what sram obiye energy ene soye mu say industry ene soye mu say fie duaduane a ene soye mu say ye ko bebia ene soye mu ye nam ka kwa ho kra ene soye mu ntianke hia 20-year plan sene nkronkro bia ye oko South Korea o ma ye sa plan no bi ntiache say aban bia beba ebesesa no sa plan no an ye nyina ye fa but mene openyi a friend say Kofi Adam zia adwen hwe dum so bae no it put a certain mentality in the minds of Ghanaians say can you dum no because dum so bae no unye pie baby awoti area awoti unye pie hope na ye dum ho kania uyem show into psychologically no there's a mindset into the least eya mobaya munim se bedum kania no ese mo ka kira manfo enye dum so kra because me dey dum so me hwe no So you can't doom so it's over a long duration of time. But because amount for minds no I say idum kania pe edum so ba idum kania pe dum so ba the best thing is obetimi ni amount for communicate. Say enne ye pigging ye huhuru pipeline num pipeline ye huhuru mu so ebe kire ye say pipeline no bibia say wo ho ni nyina ebe kire ye nti ahaka ne abedum de Ghana for hwehwa ne say ye betimi a plan te say me kodwom na meto enam 5 cedis ana meto enam 10 cedis minim say ebedum mekania nti e kira mekọ a meto 3 cedis na meduane ntimi ansay because oh ni nyina wo rippling effect so eba ubotom because me top 10 cedis na me say bedum kan me top 5 cedis na aka no mitimi de bibi foforo so inti ni nyina ne say me de ye de be plan ni nyina ne say ai wom say ye politics there but edru baby a e say nyina yetime tenase ni adwen ho ni ka say kon a ye koyi enye papa na aban no so wo power no say NDC o CPP o MPP o the fact say your plan no oba no ka say baby a ye koyi enye papa tie na hwe say aba wo mu a aba ni mu a na waso a church-re say de mo ken enye adwuma because of ABCDE but ni nyina no I said people no bo mfom wo mo so mtimi energy no ehun hia hwe say a motorway you say street lights in adwuma street lights ni mtana jo ko fa so a esu oku pa adenti na say esu yehu because kanya ni ho ndi kanya ni de ehia sansem a ye keken ne ye fandi excuse ni yi nyina no in the long run you dum kanya affect the ordinary Ghanaian ebia wo your friend say there wo hwe man so de ebia affect wo mo because wo de say you make sure say kanya no but the ordinary Ghanaian wo mo kra affect wo mo no the ordinary Ghanaian e do to ho nje say wo the ordinary Ghanaian no ba ansana wo kra wa hwe wo de nti ehia say me feel say you better say ni afa plan na they are told say energy plan for the next 20 years ni your energy plan for the next 10 years ni your energy plan say 20 years crown na you better in 5 years so be sesa yetimi asesa but in timi in making sure say anytime dia chimachima beba ye kania ho no na dia politics and no moye because ye hia say ye be fix it say ya minim say Ghana gas omni Côte d'Ivoire for kasa o ma start crash no mo kasa see betimi extend the West African gas pipeline no wo ho reverse flow ye betimi afa gas e free eto abo akotema sa na no so etimi ayi ama mo generation power most of generation plants no say e betimi fa fuel etimi fa gas ese plan no abeye no say ke etimi ya plan no a sa breaking no ebia gas intimi manu a ye fa fuel no yetimi plan amount of money was our plan no say we see some amount of money in ye betimi ahwe na dia ye oh say yetimi ye we num nyina na we are reducing the debt say your debt na strong NDC for all power ye breachy friends say West African gas pipeline unko pesika ye no e di kapi by
okay right down to mesa about so na fe ya share what this 20-year plan should contain and how we should look at it but honorable nyenda mamen sambra uho obio me kai say January Ghana buying Germany buying signing memorandum of understanding 250 million euros sasika no e dey and because that amount was supposed to expand our power and electricity sector for that matter. Honorable.
Winning, just like of our kind, you know, here a long-term plan. Nobody will run away from that. And just like on the kind of say, may I find your money or something. And so I say, we brew baby now because of Sabio, be a person of a Canada identity. Obeka the way our person Obeka. I like on one admit to say, look, the energy sector, debts now, any debt keep on. as at the time I'm almost free Bema, I must say already saw us like by, which came to assist them. Yeah, by and what was a desktop? I say manage saving. It was in excess of about $2.something billion.
Of about how much?
Something billion dollars.
Billion?
Yes, dollars. I see it here. We have to even move to the market to raise some kind of bond to see how we can pay some of the debts that they left. Normally, we can or say, ono of an etu, ono the sabi, ono ya you might be a energy sector. But PPs are IPPs no more sign, and or not was say we are exposed. You know. How much money do we pay for energy that we produce and do not use? Busano. You every month. You have whether you consume or you don't consume, you have to pay as a government. And if you are in today's power sector, look, main country say there is no way. I'm going say ECG, friends saying Greco, NFVRA. Where do you wake up? It's something that is networking around that area. In Sister, you'll be back out, no catcher say ECG the car. I can't say that any no correct. Who was that ECG for? Also, catcher say Greco the car. Who was that VR because way the car. Are you getting what I'm saying? Into that sector, no, and for those kind of indebtedness, it is there. But it is also a fact, say, if you talk about a government that has been so committed in paying even utilities of government departments anywhere, it is an MPP government.
But that no Rakufia Adams, 800 million car ECG at the Greco.
If it comes to that sector, who will say ECG, I car Greco Dion. Who will say Greco VRS, I car Greco. In the Okwasa sector now. Where the wake up, where should the wake up? Because of that system, no more morale. So I wouldn't sit here and say, no, cano, and no cry, and no cry. Obviously, young Cassie, a trick in our energy sector. Obiancasa, and this Obicas Obidica is normal. Immunity as with the can ever had. Are you getting me? I drove in a car here. Sabio, me say, me quack was parking my car, my battery be failing. Me is high because me the can buy. So name was parking my car and battery no failure. Musami say Adentina man fast pay battery and to me can. It is the same thing that happened in this maintenance system thing. Because they were very sure say for car power we are guaranteed of 400 plus megawatts. So a year didn't cry now we will survive on this particular one. But if unfortunately that strip off, there is nothing that they could have done. Say, me say, my battery be volunteer, say me spare battery. Just like of a kind. Say, NDC ama dumsama I am shisha bobi because the kind of dumsona I experience no, uko fiena also light na ma, hu bi eden the brew. So it would have been normal say if ye babe ration power. Say
NDC for no mama say hunaba nkofum.
Na dumsona wotina under NDC 3 years plus no. One.
That's all my free so.
That spirit, it has come to, it's a culture. So you don't just use one day to solve that problem. That spirit of fear, said Doomsa is coming back. No? It has come to stay with us. And you no would like to doom pet, no we are because Doomsa baby one. And on that count, no, meaning yeah, said if the like Ominion said yeah baby we could have planned say oh, but we pneumonia light. Then psychologically you have prepared yourself say me koi light in your day in your but all of a sudden oh that one pim na light na duma you will have that fear all ye nyina nyo bia enyo nipa ba we all have that fear wow but it is there we inherited that from them and nobody can say with that any contradiction say under the 3 years leadership of Nnawotwe power has been consistent. Nobody can take that away from us.
Okay,
it has been consistent. And the dream is that it should continue that way. But it is energy sector. Problem, Beba. What would I mention? Problems, they won't say they won't be light off. Occasionally, light off burden, Beba. But the good thing is that we should also try to plan and let people know that. So. But sometimes technically, you know, like Nisi or car power, you can ask anybody in that industry. They will tell you that it was something that was not actually planned. Or one who said, we're going to be let down by that system. Okay. But it has come. Okay. But what will you do? Okay. Well, but if it comes to because if you come to the kind of injections, injected in defraying the debts under the energy sector, we are doing very well. But obviously,
Ghana German MOU no can win.
Obviously, I will be able to tell you say win any year and I win and find. But what I'm telling you, when it comes to injection of capital into the energy sector, we have done very well.
It is so far.
Well,
how much?
I don't have the figures. Obviously, this is how much we have done. But I'm telling you that we have even gone to raise about 2.something million Ghana cedis, almost 3 million, into paying off this kind of debt that we owe. So it is something we are doing, but we all need a plan, which I agree. But as for the politics, people know how much we have done and how much NDC have done. Considerably, we can compare.
Okay.
Power. Politics. Partisan. Politics there you but partisan. Okay. But say no crane da ho or say you can. And I'm happy there on one person they were going to depend on car power. So because of car power and now no more so sure say bibia nye den enchi. Minia one or the car power by President Nana no the car power by. I'm not asking you to tell me. President Nanado no the car power no by. President John Dramani Mahama na breso na yede car power e de buy. Na kasa o mo kasa ti a even car power no enye kasa kakraba. Na so ine that was what was going to save you. 1 kilowatt kra in terms of generation omo fa bi meka ho. The energy minister have said so himself, say omo fa bi meka ho. And how did you solve the problem? Ekawa eda ho a wo say butua no so eka no nyinia na eka no ye den ekoso aban a etwemu e de esla ejae because na ebi ni ho tio time a NDC aban ba ho na there was no esla to support the energy sector debts no there was nothing like that. You be facing a crisis situation. President Neka say eye no kure wo hwe ye investment we Dr. Kwame Nkrumah Fiwa, we hear an investment in energy na atosim kakra over the period. But no on make say me blame me, he would take the battle and face it. I no correct. By January 2016, now we have announced end of what? Doomsday.
Lie. It's a lie.
By January 2016, we have announced end of what? Doomsday. The vice president, no yomo running mate then kura ebeka say yes, I resolve Doomsday no kura. Ma yem fa na same fa ma President Mahama because it's not about assuming without admitting. Look, the Okasadumi, the figures are there. Everything is there to support this. Say by January 2016, we have ended it. Say yeah, ending year. Bisa say between January 2016 and January 2017. Okay. We didn't add any other generation capacity. So how did we solve it?
Okay. But also mame. So mame na menko ahoma no so nana damwa ekasa de ma energy ministry na owa ahoma no so e bia obetimi aboa yen chemu kakra. Na wote menka me mo akwaba.
Me Josumi ni na bibia boko de.
Nyame adom ye ho ye se wo so ho ye de.
Nyame adom anope na masoma me se memba na memba ye adwuma ntimi office Saturday anope.
Ho hia pa. Nti me gidi se nkoma ye twetwe waso egusu de ka che e de pa na ekoso e wo yanyinam kanea yi hu. Kanea no engina so. Nana damwa e de na ekoso.
Me da siminia na madom ntino metumi etie eye discussions na ekoso wo studio so na kakra na ne fa ne bebre na ha adwen bebre say owura Kofi Adams na kasa no na nsema o kan nyina no ha adwen pa na nka mo be ma memre kakra na nka metumi a cheche ne ma be mu a che na kakra nsa na yakoyanim na edikan ye ka se problem aba na se dumso aba na se bibisa anye lack of friends and generation capacity na de basa sisi abibia ye gina no as o mine no Minia se obi ekofa generation capacity e de beka ho a na nipa ne nitremu edin pa nti asɛm a wura Kofi Adam say kan me na kakra esan se minia ne tie ne se yemfa ne se wo lorry car yi baako ɛna wehunu se okay webusuafo no omoye 6 na car ne 5-seater car nti no na se wo de baako so ye den e de count se na be ya mu kɔ baabi a na motumi ya den akɔ na akɔtɔ saa car second one de beka ho no afei de wo space for 4 extra people ɛna obi akɔ rent cars 15 e de abeka ho ɛna 15 cars na wakɔ rent de abeka ho no esi hɔ unyusu osɔre na otua ho ka ɛna saa nipa na san bisa wo sɛ wo baaye no cars ahen na wakɔfa abeka ho inti sɛ yamfa generation capacity ameka ho no ewa Kofi Adam so fa na dwen nkɔ sɛ ne di kan ye ka sɛ yo excess capacity excess capacity no so nyɛ sɛ da hɔ keke ye will take or pay clauses a ye tua sika pudo afi bia inti sɛ ɔka sɛ yensan kɔfa ɛyɛ generation capacity ni bi ɛmfa mbɛka ho dia ɛne na ne ɔka no me hunu ne ɔpɛ sɛ ɔyɛ yankɔbɔ ka ni bi ɛmfa mbɛka Ghana fo ho ɛma mu ntua na sɛ yenye ne sen eno ni asem na eda ho no na me ne airco ani mo be kaya 17th of January 2020 ye issue a press statement every ministry ha akonya me tisu ya na ye di issues a press statement no na ye ka che Ghana fo ne se ade a ye frɛ na ye pigging ye ba be ye routine maintenance bi West Africa gas pipeline no na ye se ye routine maintenance bi also na sa ade no na ye ho hwe enye ye san se West Africa gas pipeline no obi anim se Nigeria, Benin, Togo, ene Ghana, ene yeye. Na pipeline na yeye ye see ye no contracts ye de ye ne kire se every break up brebia na sa de na say ye nyesa se that be assemble ene contractor na ene ne sign sa contract no onim ho hwe. Nti na we say ye. Na ye be ye no ye hihye mu ye ne de na kire san ke be wie be 21st of March ye na due ena nka we say ye wie ye started pigging no nyame adom yetumi wie ne entem na mum ansa ne ba be pigging no na o se ye nhihye eni nsakire mu bi nhihye na ye ne bi ne se gas plant ni bi o power plant ni bi o ha na use ye ne efre no gas na ye se convert e de ko other sources of fuel into be a heavy fuel oil e be a light crude oil eni ne keka ho na nyame adom ye sa conversions ni nyina wie ye eni ye start say ye pigging exercise no pigging exercise mean na chira ne say gas in free Nigeria emma eye Ghana ha ena ne to aso mienu reverse flow no so ayaye no so no gas entumi free takrade emma eye tema internet che say tema enclave ne de gas I friend the gas e be you see their power plant ne de eye ne sa enye yi nti na say hwehwe alternative fuels ne de ye sha ase ye di sa adwuma no ena ehunu say machines ne bi nso eho touch makakra on say ade na you see for a while na say we conversion da sansem no ebi etumi den eba machine minia obetumi service o car ni nyina pepepe e follow routine maintenance plan ni nyina pepepe nso duru ba bia dakro odiki ni shem na oboso o se menje ode boso o se menje age se okofre ye fitani ana se company akoto car ni free na we bebisa o mo se den na economy de machines ni ade e de besisi so no mahwe nti enam se sa problems yi ebaaye no eduru ba bia na ye nyina mahoden ho nsem no akofom kakra ye begi to mu se an nyina mahoden nsem sisi ane bebe egina no akofom kakra na nam se ye di dwuma bia o machines ni bi eso nti ne munya abotre emfa mahan na be ye ye gu so ye sa no na nyame adom ye wie eye test ni ade a e se ye no ye say eye pigging exercise na ye say ye wie ne be kan se sisi ane ye wie na mom eye plant na use gas na ye convert the call eye other fuels e say san convert e de ba gas na ebi nso wo ho machines ni bi wo ho nso a enam say ye yi e de free gas so ana say gas amakra no afei no e say san eye test na de nkakra na ehu say bibia da ne kwem pepepe na edi kan pipelines na nkasa no e say de gas e de bem na ye mfutupu ye nya ne ba ko pese mebie me de gas na ko da bi wo de kakra kom na wahwe sa asem wo mu ana na wasan de bi aka ho na wasan de bi aka ho na wasan de bi aka ho ena ye ni nyina na ewie ye wie esisi ana ne ekoso ne fe no protocol performance test performance test ne kyerɛ ne sɛ machines ni bi wɔ hɔ a yɛ de gas ne air com ama ne produce electricity na mo yɛntumi mbie no putupuru baako pɛ sɛ ɛnkɔ saa nti yɛde ba ne nkakra
good nana sɛ nkyerɛmu no wode aba but mehia Ghana fo sisiɛ ɛne sɛ performance test ɛkɔ so yɛayɛ pigin akeka ɛka 7 nyinaa bom nti yɛka sɛ kanea dundum no agyae anaa nso so Ghana fo ɛnhyɛ da ɛnkɔ so anhwɛ anim sɛ kanea no bɛkɔ so adundum nana damoa
enema menu na meka na di kan challenges ne nyinaa de sisi ano ya solve na se localized fault bi ba munya botrema kakra adekrunti ameka se localized fault no se bi brofo potokasem na ne chia ne se bia wo area mu ho kakra no ebetumi aba se problem bi be ba ebema wo area mu ho kakra no be hu se edum Nema yehunu sa nneoma no se bia obehu se wugina street ba akoso yedumu light enso wutu ani hwe akira obehu se nkanea ewo ho eno no mostly a indication of localized fault adekronti a ebema localized fault na kɔ nanim kakra ne se sambre na ye pigging exercise ni ade no ECG forward e be friend routine maintenance I just say nhyehyɛ a ye de gu ho se dwumadi a se omudi na mo hwɛ se machines nyina ho ɔden no ewo soro for about 3 weeks na ye pigging exercise na emu test ni ade no routine maintenance ye hote ye ma mu jaye esan se na kanea na dundum na de nsem bebre na de ba sisi ana ye wie sa adwumadi no sa routine maintenance no so mutumi ka mo ho no mo ye ni nyina pempenso ya nti ewom na sa wo hwe na sa bia localized fault bia ba
okay na wadaroma then I hear si kwan say mode communication hu hia pa timely information so ye be ye bibi say enti Ghana de share munda mo ho so we are bibi nda ye ne fatu ye what prevent you then si kwan another mo
medas minia obehwe a ECG for there routine maintenance anytime the omba be routine maintenance bia no mo de to na eya ebia nia yo say ye hwe channels of distribution because someone said na saying no ECG4 no e am the social media pa e na mo dey nti bia in this period no ade a wo say ye ne say step up the channels of distribution e bia say ye no radio no more radio stations and e bia more TV stations ni ade ye de anke ye na e bia baby ye dro no e wo say ye tumi ebiem kakra ema nipa dom na nkasa eti na ye ka ene Ghana wa wonim challenges wo ye media space mu radio stations na doso TV stations na doso ena obi ane nya ope nti ye na sa odi fa ba bi na sa hunu sa amanfo ni bi ente a wo say ye koye nim na ye pe kwan a ye de be fa so nti wo kan mi nya mate meti ha metro na every Monday eko no ya pe kwan a ye de be fa so
nana da Mohammed ase nana da mo akasa de ma Ministry of Energy ena mene no atwetwe enkomo no before we are back to the studio Ora Kofi Adams
clearly no say enunti na your serious problem pa e wo man obia mbetna hanka say omunsan ye den enfa generation capacity bia ye den embeka
obara why you say
no the argument he advancing say there was a point capacity and a problem because clearly no what kind akosombo ayeye yen hydro no ye nya the total capacity of akosombo because isu enye den anyhow so it is not reliable bon hydro no winya isu no wo ho and it is not fully reliable capacity no winya sa so na bui eno so enye den winya then you have of course gas sources ningina so may not be functioning fully so what do yes o mind bia enye den enhwe other alternate sources and are combined cycle ebia etumi use gas etumi use either light crude and even diesel and maybe heavy fuel now we are combining with gas so that say gas in niho e be yejuma and no the first priority of government say ubenya sa generation capacity and na make us say NDC are buying etu sa na mo no ehwehwe bibia to ho enti wo de ne say wo be proper management when tu na mo ahwehwe ka no ensi wo kekewo osan so hwe kwan a ekawa eda ho no ye bepe kwan bia ye den etu asa aka no eno ne extra na ohwehwe to ho no so eno so wo ba ye no wo manage ni yiye enti innes se wo tie ni omo ka se enye abandada ne car power nka they didn't really have any solution to the problem that they encountered enti wo ti ha wo se oh wo na wa ye ni owo se wo ye any the financial management because who need responsibility bi say who sa kwa car ni bi ato wo de ni say sika eba wonsem any kanea ye de bre wo no ton no in such a way say wo benya wo sika wo mbokaw na we tuama so that every time ya ye benya kanea but aban no entumi manage sa de the way or say or manage that is why we are in the state that we find ourselves
Rajan to my member what's APR for the Ministry of Energy me hu say we gu ahome pa mintimi hu nia ewo mu but answer na no nanka ye ba be call the plan but listening to the PRO until
oh me ya na eye minya say aban bia obeba bia no o feel say okay me na me ye we enya Ghana.
Ghana.
President ye disi ho na didn't see ho. Enya Ghana for na didn't see ho. Sika wo de ye, sika be na wo de ye. Enya Ghana for sika na wo de ye. Inti won mo aba na afa adwen na wo de car power ba. Enya ma Ghana for nyina. Sa ban fofo beba, ne de ne se obe manage ni ye. Titru. The major challenge I wa Ghana need distribution and getting revenue from the distribution. Send ECG for betimi agi sika o metimi twetwa e car e wo ho nyina ye major problem no say me na me buy na me jai dum so me na buy na wanya dum so enko fa hwe ma emwayen send me sika e no energy sector no hia say ye nyina de eti bebom na ya plan na say ye be plan ya sa plan no it has to be part and parcel of the development agenda of the country. It has to be part and parcel of it. Now, last Tuesday, I said, COVID the year by year. Me say, Nanka, friends, NDPC. So 40-year plan no NDC 4 year. Oma shrim, oma revise it, oma di amount for manifestos account, oma revising in Nanka, oma represent it. I'm a president. Last Tuesday. No one president yama president last Tuesday. I see a team distribute more beer Ghana for beer hubi. Near you trust in your because I'm saying the best plan. What the plan be bano? I say ni pano so tiase the whole plan no. Sa ye betra ne kasa. Ama for no mutie no omunim de ye ka. De owura na damo eken. Ewom say ese ye timi communicating ye nsem oka ye nyina ye start ye nanko mo ba na mo kan nsem nyina kente a ye din komo ankente a ye din komo ye pa che se anko bia beti ase obi abehu kwan obefa so obi abehu se ne sika no se wokoto prepaid obehu sika obetu a wode beto prepaid because when you say within this duration woni kanea nti ade ntem sim koto prepaid na me feel me friends say
Rajan to na say na da mo kan no no kre say enye sikasem na emumu no technical nsisi adwuma bi na course
hwe me start say me kasa no the catch say energy sector no de sikasem mo mu de bia
okay
sikasem because sikan ye de gas ye ntuaka gas ye de ye ntuaka se gas ni ho a sa fa so fia ze aye to enye sikan ye de to se ECG for beju o mbekwa akotimi distribute enye sika se gridco o mbesi mi send transmission enye sika nti ho ne sika sem no de abo hoda se ne ti mi manage sika no ho na sem no wo how we manage that money no ho na sem no wo na in managing that money no is it me communicate
okay
is it me communicate
Rajan to amedase honorable Nyandam
yes
ye manage sika se ne Rajan to eken look like eno na se abaye headache abanya abako nyina no sika e say ye managing ye for our energy sector no ye managing ye
well enya sano patchere anyway he's here but I think that skasem there bibia ni wa obeya skasem ni that one is basic nti am catch you say if Kofi Adams say we go force ECG di omuka it's no news because okwa sa sector na obi adi obi ka And as Kasam so energy sector no, we are hugely indebted. That one nobody can run away from it. But the fact is that so far problems now Adom. It is not about money. Are you getting me? It is not largely about Omomo can say it is Kasem. Oh yes, obviously.
It's not about money.
But
it is
largely about money.
It's not largely about money. Say the way Omomo trumpet. It is Nadia no be in US who has Kasem. Why will you do that?
The way I will rule out completely the issue of Sikasem.
The current circumstance now you find yourself. It is not about money and Massa Adom no ever. No.
Okay.
And no Kofi Adams or see by January 2016. No must say Adom so now then I end it. Anambwa. Yes, I know. Good. And then President Bia ministers in Odi. Okay. In 2015, Dumso became so pronounced. And Dr. Kamara of course say by 2016, so one Timia obe resigning. Anambwa. One Timia yes Ajumana obe resigning. By December 31st, 2015 or resigning. Then January, more ended Dumso. What is the logic?
But that was his own decision.
No, his decision was that if I'm not able to resolve it, I'll resign. And President JDM said, I will hold you responsible. Okay, 31st December 2015, he resigned. What does that tell? It tells us he has not been able to solve it. Anambwa. And January, you say you have resolved the matter of doing so. What is the logic? You see, some politics in the you but I don't know, that one I agree. Look, if you are hungry, come the war. And you some you know what did you. Come the no some you would do some you need the will become no shower. And ya kauna would the anquadia. Then they will say there's something wrong with you. I call the SW, so in Macau. Say one we answered before. My answer and they won't be found Zabagundi because who do you mean in the bed? If you sit down because of energy sector, now what sign PPS to the extent say every month, between 25 to 30 million dollars, whether you use the energy or you don't use it, does it really make sense? Just because you needed power, does it really make sense? It doesn't make sense. So sometimes, I agree that look, let's all have a path, a long path, because energy, omuduma, yenyina so for me, Sabio, or Fase Surufobi or what. Maybe it doesn't affect them. I don't know. I don't know them. Now, you probably look what they didn't. What can you do? Let me patch say yes. Of course, Ubeda Kanium, eh? Wunkwa with the Kanium Nadum so, Baby Bibria. Uda Kanium was one. I won't say, but still Kania. But what is the use of that Kanium? Today, oh, Miss, who will be at air conditioner here in 50. If today Dumso comes back, president will have light, vice president will have light, but they will never sleep. It is worse to say we need light. Are you getting me? So that one, we all have to develop a long-term path in solving the energy sector. I also agree. So Bibeka say, just like Nana Damoekano, so Bibeka say, "Mummo mega hot baku pay mo dia kan wa HSS mo na mo solve." Okay, honorable Nyandam. That kind of debate, it doesn't really, it doesn't gel. Honorable Nyandam. It doesn't gel. Me dasi. Roger, 1 minute. An issue, no, you are resolving from where you sit.
Well, in terms of Nkania Dundum no dear. So Busa Ghana for Mbaka system Nkania no Dundum. But in Lum Ofa quantum noa and Tisse Dum sort. Kania Senana Kania Tia Presso Press Lumna. But still, Kania no Dundum more. And ya dear, oh, me Minkora Brim, ne Kania Dundum more. Me Minkora Brim, mean you know, ne Kania Dundum more. It isn't something that you can eradicate fully. And now they'll be to me fully. Or Sanko Benya, and can say, kitting.
Remember what to ask, but news just coming in. CCA, and it's corona cases. Nanka, it was 16. CCA, Ghana, you recording me and Saka home until if you could do 19. And that's the bit of information that is coming in.
Corona.
But what my Ura Jantua and Sinafi.
See, Benya,
30 seconds.
Yen Timmy eradicated doom so no cry because of financial issues, because of maintenance issues, and to make sure that debt no yetimia clear.
Okay.
The same man means saying yentimi yeah, we can't say can you dum bejai. Enjai.
Me that's right Janto. Radams. Sima.
Kanye dum
1 minute.
A part and parcel of Kanye ne distribution. Abrochi kura isi. But Niaya can I have experienced like power outage or more rely on alternate. It took quite some time, even at an airport, international airport, ABC.
Okay.
So as at 2016 January, now you are building your capacity, including car power, or can say, or move by your pigging, nanko no and or more rely on, including that. Meaning ba because no banti the deficit are near woho are enuntia ye call into a long prolonged power outages. Now you are solving
but of
send me the man basic. Nia aka post that no sikasem.
Okay.
Ena sikasem no so ena ye de esla no so ye den e de buy. Now abai the management, the financial management of the energy sector no has been poorly done.
Okay. Point well made.
Dum so point there is doom so say no mudum kan.
Radams.
Omudum na so so I no mo
30 seconds na yes.
Well, media me can say sabio afọ nkani abeko of anywhere. I me ne nanamo and so mo making sure say bibisa na omo ma nyina ante.
Okay.
Then prepare our mind.
Okay.
Afford some kind of doom so me feel like franopa you and you maybe doom. That one you can't run away from it.
Me that say performance and from performance on become home to train and come Ura Kofi Adams, former national organizer of the NDC or Sansuye parliamentary candidate Gwem constituency and Honorable Matthew Nyendam, deputy majority chief whip and also so Ura Kwame Dantua, a member of the CPP and Osman Franka was also a CEO for African Energy Consortium. Mo amoti enka mo share Adom TV muti yen ewo Asempa 94.7 nyame aduma na wo twese ne ye de na wo twidwumadi e de be ro midin e de chief Jerry Force and from CJ ye woda se ne